The oil is the most important element within a hydraulic system. It's responsible for transmitting the power. JCB's oils have been formulated to give the right blend of performance on every component within the hydraulic system.
When customers use skimp on their oil, say let's use a less quality oil than what they should be using for the machine, then obviously this could slow the hydraulics down of the machine, and basically the oil running around the system's not clean enough.
If you buy the oil from JCB, you will be guaranteed the same level of cleanliness that we fill our machines with when it leaves the factory. The oil that we sell is filtered down to 3 micron level, and so if you fill with JCB oil, you can make sure that you'll get the maximum out of your machine. We have a variety of means of checking the quality of the oil. And one is its ability to deal with water contamination. So if it's able to release the water much more rapidly, it means that the water cannot be transported to the parts where it can do most damage. The formulation of the oil is also extremely important. So it offers the lubrication to the pump, make sure the pump is operating at the right levels. And in terms of control valves, it will have the right blend of viscosities to make sure that extraneous pressure losses don't occur, and that leads to machine efficiency.
Examples of substandard oils are contamination to the hydraulic tank, which then runs obviously through the whole of the hydraulic system and then into the hydraulic pump, which could obviously cause the pump to fail.
The ability of the oil to sort of stop foaming is very important. Otherwise you get a film of oil at the top of the tank, which acts as a barrier to the release of heat from the system. If the oil, as it gets returned to the tank, gets very aerated, then the system becomes very spongy.
I always use JCB quality oil. It's approved. So if it's approved, if it's good enough for JCB, it's good enough for me.